this video, we're going to show you how you can speed up the back end of your Joomla site if you have a slow connection or slow server. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 138 here on the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel. Thanks for your support of this channel. If you've not subscribed yet, please do so. Ring the bell to get notifications of new live streams and things happening on the channel. Now, if you watched the Watch Me Work live stream that I did last week, I was trying to update a template on my site, and things got super slow. I did find out what the problem was for that. I had to stop the live stream. Something else in my browser, but one of the things that was suggested was from our good friend on the channel, Chuck, and he suggested that I try Ajax Toggler, which is a tool that he uses on his Joomla site. And so I thought that would be a great tip for a Maintenance Monday. So here we are, and we're going to take a look at it. So thank you again, Chuck. He's already in chat. So show some love to Chuck in chat there. All right, let's change screens here. Ooh, that's not what I wanted to show you. I think it was this. Yeah, don't forget to head on over to basicjoomla.com/giveaways. Sign up for the newsletter and be entered in the monthly draw for some great Joomla prizes. All right, here we are, logged into the back of the site. This is what happens when I sleep in. Well, I always sleep in. And then go to a site and see there's a bunch of things that I need to update in here. So what we're going to do is go to Extensions, Manage, and Install. And we're going to install from the web. And we're going to just search for Toggler. And the second one that comes up is this one, Ajax Toggler. So I bet you if we did the Ajax Toggler, that one would come up by itself. Let's see. Yeah, it comes up first. And so we can click on it. And we will, now you need to register to install this. All right. So if you click register and install, you're going to be taken to that didn't work last week either. So what you want to do is go to Ajax Toggler. I think what we could have done here last time was do this Ajax Toggler. Click on this, then go to the developer website, and you will be here. And this is where you can download Ajax Toggler. Now check out some of the features. There's a free version and a pro version here. There you can Ajaxify the ordering and pagination of items list and Ajaxify changing of statuses in the items list. So what that means is this. Content, let's go to content and articles. With this plugin running on your site, if you unpublish something or you change the orders of things, it is not going to reload the whole page, which is going to be a huge boost for you. Basically what it's going to do is just send a message to your server to change that status, but you won't have to reload your whole page. So this would be great if you are working on a slow internet connection, or if for some reason your server isn't running very quickly, or I suppose if you had free hosting that was very slow, that would help you pick up some time working in the back end. So what you're going to do is you would download the plugin. I'm already logged in. I've already downloaded it today, so we've got it there. Yes, then we'll go back to Extensions, Manage, Install. And this time we're going to upload a package file. Now we can select the file, or we can do this. We can view the file in the folder that it's in. And let me just bring this in from the other page here. Have this overlapping on other screen. Left click, drag onto the upload area, install, and there we go, it's installed. Now I think we have to publish that, do we? Let's go to Extensions and Plugins. In the top right corner, I'm going to filter by the ID number. I want the largest at the top because that will show me the most recent one installed. And then we just enable the plugin. Let's also just take a quick look inside the plugin if there's any settings. Oh yes, if there's some components you want to exclude, and if you want the toolbar reloaded, you can make that choice in here. In fact, let's check this out. Always reload toolbar items for selected components. Note that the toolbar is always reloaded if state is changed from or to a trashed item. Okay. And exclude components. Select components where the plugin won't be loaded. All right. So if you want always to reload the plugin, you're good to go with these options. And that's probably some other options on the Pro version as we've seen. And basically, that's where we go. Let's go to content and articles. And now with that on, if I unpublish this article, it just goes very quickly. It didn't do a whole page load speed reload. And that is very nice. So there you have it, a quick tip for today. Thanks again to Chuck for suggesting this. We're going to stick around and chat a little bit, but if that's all that you are here for, thanks for tuning in. If you've not subscribed, remember, please subscribe to the channel. That would be great. It's very encouraging, helps others find the content, and it's fun for me. So, hey, everyone needs a little bit of fun. So if you're leaving now, thanks for watching. Enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless. And hello, everyone sticking around. Yes, Mary, I was thinking of you this morning that this is probably an extension that you like because you have a very slow internet connection. So that's cool. Let's just read up a bit here on what the Pro version does here. So this Ajaxified sorting of items list by search filters. Ajaxified search within items lists, and editing of list item without page reload. Okay. Cool. And there's the instructions. I wonder how much the Pro version is. See, also Ajax Toggler Pro. $24, probably American, as we say up here in Canuck land. All right. Good. Well, that was nice to have a topic so far in advance. I still wasn't ready on time, but anyways, I had a topic in advance. Now, couple things to cover. Let's see here. I'm going to just bring up something on the my account. And copy. All right, so this week's Just Because Zoom meeting for us to hang out. There's the link if you want to sign up for that. Thursday morning at UTC 1500, which is 10 a.m. my time, which is 1 p.m. Chuck time. No, that's noon for you, Chuck. Yeah, because I think you're Central. Are you Central? Yeah. Anyways. It's 1 p.m. East Coast time in North America. All right, yeah, and last week I discovered that the problem in my browser is the NordPass password manager, which I really like. But anyways, whenever I have a text box open in the browser, Chrome or Firefox, and keep refreshing or doing a lot of text box opening and saving, it slowly grinds things to a halt. So I actually have done a little video showing it and send it off to the support at NordPass. But right now with that disabled, I am able to quickly go back and edit things. So this Wednesday in Watch and Work live stream, we will revisit changing. I'm going to do that work on my site that I've been wanting to do, updating my site to use an Asteroid template and switching it over, and that's what I'll be doing. And things will be much faster, and I won't have to delete the stream so nobody sees it at the end as I did last week. So long story short on that, though, is that I have a topic for Wednesday, and I already have the thumbnail made up because of from last week. So although I think I still have a little bit that I need to do on my on the setup for the actual video the video description and stuff like that on YouTube. Okay, well, let's see here. Let's check out the Facebook page here. Go see Facebook extensions. And let's go to oh, I know where that is. that is over on this screen. I've not moved that. Live streams. There we go. Sorry, I'm very close to the camera right here because I'm on that other screen there. 3D Tim. Okay, we'll go back to here and we'll switch to the computer screen. All right, let's see what's new on the Joomla Extensions. And as you'll see here, Joomla Extensions Facebook page. As you will see here, I have the new layout for Facebook showing. So I'm getting used to it. I'm not going to complain about it. And they gave me a chance if I wanted to try it. And I thought, they're going to go with it anyways. I might as well learn it. It looks like it's a lot quicker to be friendly on mobile phones or devices because look at this. So I got all this wasted space over here. But anyways, I told you I'm not going to complain about it. Let's scroll down. Okay. Let's see. Latest post here. Code layers, a theme. A new Joomla module. Oh, from Syed Sheikh Mahmood. COVID-19 live stats. Let's check that out. He hasn't put out something new in a while. It will show a nice live stat style. And let's see the demo. And there it is. If you wanted to post that on your site and see the numbers, the sad numbers of as all this goes up. New cases. All right, so I've got that there. Bjorn says, go for dark mode on Facebook. It's cool. Okay. How do I find dark mode? I'll give her a try. In the meantime, I'll keep scrolling down here. Noir next, extending their 40% discount for COVID-19. It's nice of them. Oriole Pro from Marco Wrench. Dynamic gallery designs entire interfaces based on your image folder structure. Oh, wow. Let's check that out. Completely dynamic, obviously mobile first design. Let's see. Create folders and subfolders in your gallery directly in the file system to get albums and filters in Oriole. Oriole Pro is completely dynamic and obviously mobile first design. Various additional features such as album description via text file, album overviews, or the adaptive cover mode generates breathtakingly beautiful galleries. Oriole Pro also supports dynamic usage with custom field values as path specifications. Oh, wow. Oriole Pro is integrated into Joomla as a module. Take a look at Oriole Pro and let us show you how Joomla photo gallery should look like in 2020. I'm excited. All right. Before we check that out, Bjorn says in the top right, pull down the menu. All right, top right, pull down the menu. Display preferences, dark mode. Oh yeah, that is nice. Now you check out Bjorn's new site that he's working on. He's shared a couple of times. It's dark, so Bjorn likes the dark mode. That's kind of nice too. Yeah, it is a lot easier, especially with all this space here that they've got there. Let's go. Let's see. Display preferences and light mode. Oh yeah, yeah. You got all this bright space here. Dark mode. Let's go compact. Well, standard compact doesn't change for me, but hey, I like that. I'm going to check for that on my phone too. That is much nicer. All right, let's check out this. Thanks for that, Bjorn. Let's check out this dynamic gallery. Let's see a demo. Oh, it's a UI kit. UI kit 3. Okay, Oriole Lite versus Pro comparison. Show me the guy. All right, there's the albums collection. I think something is images are a little bit not coming in here. But I like the idea of being able to just have images uploaded. Okay, yeah, Bjorn's put the link in chat for his new site. It's finished and published. Congratulations. You've been doing a lot of work on that. Okay, here comes our gallery images here. They didn't load very fast, but that could just be their server. nxdesigns.ch. Oh, that's not CH is China, is it not? CHTLD. Switzerland. Sorry. How was CH Switzerland? Switzerland. Okay. I mean, I'm sure it makes sense somewhere. But I don't know. Anyways, all right. So it's Swiss. Let's go back to viewing. Where was that? Where it was? Okay, so this is nice. So these are all images that are just in a folder and they're showing up. So very much in the same way that CK Slideshow will pull images from a folder. This is pulling images from a folder as well, and that is pretty cool. Now, Oriole, the UI Kit 3 gallery, that's the one thing. Does it work not in UI Kit? Let's check this out. Maybe they're just using UI Kit on here. You know what what's easy to do? Let's download the free version, see if it works. Whoops, not going to download it there. Let's go into back into the gallery here. No, sorry, into, what are we going to do? What was I doing? Here. Okay, too many tabs. Let's close that. Components, extensions, manage, install. And we're going to go with Oriole Pro, Oriole, O-R-I-E-L. Let's see what comes up. Oriole Pro Dynamic Gallery. All right, can install here. So, go download. That's the module for $5. Is that all this costs? Are you kidding me? $5? You gotta have a 58% off sale. All right, well. Oriole Dynamic Gallery. Let's get back to where we download the free one. Let's try that one more time. Yeah, they just don't have the zip there. All right. Well, I'm going to contact them and see. I'll let them know about that because that's a shame. They've put a lot of work into it. But for $5. I could go on just trying it. I'll give it a try. Maybe we'll see how it looks later on. Because I don't want to just pop $5 into it if I'm not going to use it. Although thinking I do have a client that I could use this for. But we'll see. All right, back to here where we are. There's discount from Noir next again. April 24th. That's more than a week ago, so we've seen all of these. There we go. All right, that's all the extensions there that are new and worth talking about. That I'm going to check out. This is interesting. And one thing about this COVID update, it doesn't say what the latest stats are actually showing. Live demo. Is it showing new cases? 55,000. That must be new cases today. This is total deaths in the world. 250,000. That's a lot of people. Total cases 3.6 million, and number recovered 1.1 million have recovered. So, anyways. All right, let's close that. Let's close that. I'll leave this open later for talking to these guys. And this is interesting. This is a this is a WordPress site. There you go. Sell some Joomla extensions on your WordPress site. On a WordPress site, which is fine. It's a tool. Joomla is a tool. WordPress is a tool. I just noticed it because it has the WordPress up here, and the favicon is WordPress up here in the tab. So we won't hate on them. I've been building WordPress sites for people as well that have requested it, and picked up clients who have WordPress sites and have been redesigning them for them. So because, like I've said before, I'm addicted to eating. Sometimes I have to eat 3 times a day. So, like the income. Also, of course, building Joomla sites and maintaining those. So, all right. Well, that is pretty much all that I've got for today. If there's anything else for you guys that you want to share or comment on, go ahead and put it in chat now. We can check it out. Otherwise, we will just I'll just press on. Stuff. Oh, you cannot see this, but yesterday, I'm trying not to work on Sundays. For rest's sake, I'm a follower of Jesus, and I'm trying to just follow that pattern that's in the Bible of taking a day off each week, because God rested, not because he was tired, but in the 7 days of creation, he rested in the last day from his work, so he stopped, and I think rest is important. So yesterday, instead of throwing myself into a lot of the work that I have to do here, I actually just tidied up my desk and started going through. I have all these pages of notes of things that I've written, and they're cluttered in a box. I want to get rid of them before the end of quarantine or social distancing, and so I just started going through and drawing lines through things that are information I don't need, saving some information, stuff that needed me to work to follow up. I set aside in a pile to do today. But other things, just tidying up and just to clear my head, and that also actually gave me time to make some phone calls and that. But the reward is that my desk is way clearer than it was. It was getting piled up. I always push it out of the way for the live streams, but it's a lot clearer visually for my eyes, and I have a little bit more to do, and it's already a nicer mindset for me too. Ivor, radio.garden. All right, let's try that. I'm just going to type that in because, let's see, radio.garden is a new TLD. Press play to start Radio Garden. Oh, look at that. And it geolocated me to Victoria. Now, wow. Look at that. Where am I? It's a witch. Oh. All right. Now I have to stop that, or else I'm going to get a copyright thing from Google. Look at this. It actually zoomed in and found the radio stations near here. Well, that is cool. Way to go, Ivor. Ha! Right down to... Now, is it going to bring up their web pages? That would be fun. That's pretty cool. CFAX, that's a local news station. I could click on that. Maybe I could, maybe I couldn't. But, give me a heart. Gonna click on that. Well, that's pretty cool. Hey, Chuck. Chuck's saying hi again. Did you just come on, Chuck? I had chat at the top there. It said thanks, Tim, at the top. Was that left over from... who the heck knows what's going on? Did you just come on, Chuck? Oh, you stepped away. Oh, okay. All right. That, yeah, because at the top of the chat it says thanks, Tim. So I thought for sure that you were here. Okay. Ivor, that's a pretty cool website. So anyone clicking on that link is going to take you to something. Now, you said if not working in Chrome or Firefox, try Internet Explorer, which of course you mean is Edge. Edge. Come on over here. Come on. Come on, change pages there. Okay. Control V. Oops, up here's where I want to put that. Control V. You listen, and you can listen to stations all over the world. All right, so let's go here. All those little green dots, places. Oh, now. That one took me to the zone this time. Doesn't seem to be working to click on different stations here. But it is very cool, and the concept is cool. Radio Garden, this is... Yeah, none of these, something goofy's happening for clicking over. Just move the circle. Okay. Explore. Oh, just move the circle to see somewhere else. Or actually move the map under the circle, yeah. Wow! That is cool. I can't keep moving around though because I don't want to get I don't want to get dinged on the YouTube for having music in the replay. By the way, I mentioned last I accidentally went to Chilliwack. Mentioned last week too that live streams right now it's super slow them getting processed. It's taking about 12 hours before they're crunched well enough for them to be available in SD or HD. So if you notice a Maintenance Monday live stream going live on Tuesday, the replay, that is why. That's a cool site though. All right, let's close those tabs and close that. All right. Well, everybody, I think I'll wrap it up there. Serge, how are you doing? Good to see you. If you're just getting on right now, if you weren't lurking, I'm just about to end things up. And I'm gonna go control. Let's see here. Can do this. I saw. All right. So everyone, remember, there's the link for this week's call. No pressure to the just because Zoom meeting. Just to catch up on Thursday morning at UTC 1500, 10 o'clock in the morning West Coast time, 9 on the East Coast of North America, and 1500 UTC wherever you are. But yeah, listen, if you book that and something comes up, no worries. It's all right. It's just chill, just for chillaxing, hanging out. And yeah, so that's it. 1700 UTC. Oh, did I say 1500 UTC? Yeah, I'm sorry. 1700 UTC. Not 1800. Thank you for correcting that. If you use that link to sign up, it will tell you the time in your time zone. So everyone, thanks for tuning in today. Thank you again, Chuck, for the idea for today's topic. That is pretty cool. And for hanging out. Oh, you're always late because you just got the mail now. Okay. Yeah, sorry about that, Serge. And if I was on the ball and had these scheduled better, you would get something that would give you a reminder. But if you are wondering, you can always go to the channel. Let me just change my glasses again. Right screen, right computer screen capture. Yeah. Head to the YouTube channel. I actually have a link over here in Firefox, YouTube. If you're wondering if I'm live, and I was late a couple times today, head on over to the channel, user basicjoomla.com, and if I am live, you will see that says live now, or the next upcoming live stream. Now, had you done that at 11 o'clock, it still wouldn't have showed up because I was just putting the last minute touches, getting ready to go. But hopefully, in a perfect world, there can be no perfect world because there's always going to be an imperfect Tim in it. But in a perfect world, I would have things lined up ahead of time, and you could find them there and click and get reminders or no. But it's usually there. It is usually there. So I'll just keep working away at it. 1900 in Norway on Thursday morning is what Bjorn is saying. All right, everybody. Right chat on right. There we go. So thanks, everyone. Oh, Chuck said when it was originally said it was 4 hours later to stream. Oh, well, who knows? Maybe I messed up the start time on that. When I made the copy, I thought that it was doing it for just 5 minutes, but I'll have to check to watch it anyway. So I shouldn't do the last minute rushing stuff. I get up at 10 o'clock. I hit this, the snooze button. The alarm goes off at 10. I hit the snooze button, get up around 10 after. I got a call from someone this morning, shortly after that, who's asking if I still do web stuff. And that call got disconnected. Anyways, and then I shower, and then I grab a glass of something, and then I just need to be a little bit more organized. So, all right, maybe the new copy setting. I'm not noticing the time zone if it says that. Oh, Serge says that he has pretty much the same shirt today. This I got from Mark's Work Warehouse here in Canada. And let me just show you what I like about this shirt. We've got some moose happening in there. Oh, some bear. There's big tall tree. And I don't have my glasses on. Oh, what else have we got on here? Oh, it looks like there's a log too. That sideways things is a log. What else? So we got, bear, moose. Who would have thought that I would get old to the point where I can't even see what's on my shirt right in front of me? Oh, there's a maple leaf. There's some tracks in the forest. I don't know if it's a stump or something, but yeah, it's actually one of my favorite shirts. And something that I've had to kind of go for as an older guy now is this shirt does not get tucked in. It is one of those supposed to hang outside of you kind of shirts. So anyways, no, I am not a hunter. I'm barely a gatherer. But no, I'm not a hunter. But I saw it and I thought, well, it's got a moose That is a moose. So I thought, well, this is a very Canadian shirt to get. Anyways, I liked it, and yeah, I think it's probably the favorite shirt that I have right now. So Serge, good taste on you, man. Mark's Work Warehouse here in Canada, but I bought that back in December, I think it was. So who knows? Anybody else out there have no sense of time anymore? We had so I was watching church yesterday on Facebook and participating as best I could, and so we have communion on the first Sunday of each month. So we had communion here at home at the same time as everyone else in the service watching, and so the last time was the first Sunday in March, and I thought, looking, because there's so much stuff that in our days right now that don't change during the week. They're all, so many of them are the same. That I thought, oh, that a month ago, and it just seemed like ages before. Partly because with a lot of what's going on, we're starting to make adjustments and get used to things. There's less of a shock. Things that were, things that we've never done before, we're now doing a second or a third time, like having communion with your church. On Facebook or on the television or on screen or phone or whatever, shopping routines. Eventually, we adapt and we sort of get used to things. It's still a drain, but yeah. So when did I buy this shirt? I bought this shirt. I think it was back in December, because my niece's husband works for Mark's Works Warehouse, and he gave us a coupon code where we could get the 1 week you were allowed to get the employee discount. So anyways, well, thanks, Serge. Yeah, share me on Twitter, share me around. That would be awesome. And I am on Twitter at Basic Joomla. Let's let me just bring that up too. Let's go Twitter. I'll bring up the link. Twitter.com. Home. Here's the link here. Yeah, retweet things. I do try to tweet when I get going on there. And yeah. All right, everybody. Thanks for your support. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for hanging out. And we'll see you on Wednesday, Lord willing. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.